This 2023 K-Z Sportsmen SE 303 QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new K-Z is 34 feet 7 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 6, water heater, smoke detector, slideout, Colorado detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, spare tire kit, awning, external shower, microwave, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, front entertainment, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 K-Z Sportsmen SE 303 QB is 7,270 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.